Remote Teaching, Addition, Level 2. To view our remote learning model, click on the link below in the description box. Whenever you see a pause button in the top right-hand corner of your screen, you can pause the clip to read or review the text. Please note, the Victorian Curriculum does not contain a content description for addition or subtraction at Level 4. However, given its importance to the developmental sequence, it has been included by me as part of our school's curriculum. It is important that your child is both confident and competent with each strategy before moving on to the next one. Rushing through strategies or moving too quickly could lead to gaps in your child's learning. Count on from the larger number. This strategy is broken up into 3 parts. Count on 1 more, count on 2 more, count on 0 more. Count on 1 more. Use the 10 frames and coloured counters to model the count on 1 more strategy. For example, 9 and 1 make 10. 9 and 1 is the same as 1 and 9. There are 19 addition facts that use the count on 1 more strategy. If your child knows these facts, then they'll also know those facts. They are turnarounds. They are the partner facts for count on 1 more. They do not get learnt separately. Count on 2 more. Use the 10 frames and coloured counters to model the count on 2 more strategy. For example, 9 and 2 make 11. 9 and 2 is the same as 2 and 9. There are 19 addition facts that use the count on 2 more strategy. If your child knows these facts, then they'll also know those facts. They are turnarounds. They are the partner facts for the count on 2 more strategy. They do not get learnt separately. Count on 0 more. Use the 10 frame and coloured counters to model the count on 0 more strategy. For example, 9 and 0 is 9. 9 and 0 is the same as 0 and 9. There are 19 facts that use the count on 0 more strategy. If your child knows these facts, then they'll also know those facts. They are turnarounds. They are the partner facts for the count on 0 more strategy. They do not get learnt separately. Verbal action stories can be used to help your child consolidate the count on for the larger strategies. When using a verbal action story, it's important to discuss the context for the story, and in this case it's children waiting in a line for the playground equipment. For example, 7 children waiting in line. 2 more joined the line. How many children altogether? 7, count on 2 more, makes 9. Number fact wheels can be used to help your child consolidate the count on from the larger number strategies. Make wheels for count on 1 more, 2 more, and 0 more. Click on the link in the description box below for instructions about how to make a number fact wheel.